What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a walk around on a 1964 Impala SS. Previous owner owned it for over 40 years. Has a 327 under the hood here. Seems like the braking system's fairly new. There's no power steering on this car. We're going to be trying everything out, seeing what works and what don't work. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. If you like this channel, check us out, maplemotors.com. We buy about 40 vehicles a month and we sell about 40 a month. You see all of our inventory just the way you're seeing it right now. You can go walk around the car or take a test drive with me. 2 separate videos. We'll be doing that right after this one. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're going to get started. Looking around this car, it looks very straight down the side. You can tell it's been garage kept, how clean it is inside and out. Front bumper's not all scratched up. Looks pretty good. Front end's nice and clean. It's like a purplish color. Good set of tires on it. Hood's nice and clean as well. Trim looks good. Really love the color on this car. Back bumper's looking pretty good. Dual exhaust out both sides. This back trunk lid here, actually the whole back end's got some little spots in the paint. I'm trying to zoom in here so that you can really see them. Just cracking in the paint, looks old. Just around this back end here.
He's looking for you.
I'm up here working.
No, I just wondered if he's looking for Bongo or looking for
I love how this color pops. Looks good. Checking the bottoms of these doors. This car looks pretty solid all the way around. So the only issues I've seen with the paint is that back trunk lid. I think maybe it sat out a little bit in the sun back there. There's a little spot on the hood's kind of similar. All right, we made our way around the car. I'm gonna grab the keys, pop the trunk. It's been raining all day, so we'll see if it's leaking. I didn't pop it before I started this video. I usually do these walkarounds with y'all in real time here. I don't walk around the car. I may wipe it off, but I'll search this trunk, see if I can find any flaws here. It was easy to open up. Got some water pouring there. I'm gonna have to pour out now. or wipeout. Trunk lid's not staying up perfectly by itself. You can see that water's getting caught down in here, but from what I could tell, it's not all rusty inside there. We got some skirts. Go on the outside of the car here. Weather stripping looks nice, clean all the way around it. I want to look up under this to make sure it's solid. It looks pretty good. It's not all rusted out. You got your spare tire, your jack. I wanted to see if there was water under that, but now I know there is. We'll pick it up anyways and take a look around the underside of it. Well, here we are. It looks pretty solid. A little bit of surface rust popping up. Probably for the reason that we just saw where the water was pouring in. Gotta clean this out as soon as I get back from the test drive here. Check that. Pretty good. Even the light works in the trunk. Go ahead and set these skirts back down so I'm not banging them up. Definitely don't want to mess them up. They look nice and clean. Not scratched up or anything. Trunk shuts down easily. It was staying up by itself, but a little bit of wind would have knocked it down on my head just then. Let's check the interior out. We'll start with this door panel here. Kind of look around the jamb. Door panel doesn't look too bad. Seems to be original to me. Weather stripping looks new. Kind of give you an undershot here underneath this door. Carpet's not new, but it's not all tore up. Seat looks fairly good. Still a little bit of stains and stuff in there. Back seat's in great shape. Package tray looks good. Headliner in this car looks great. Go ahead and sit down in here and try some stuff. Guys, if you like the quality of this camera, this is a GoPro Max. It's got the upgraded mics and stuff. I know some people were saying stuff about my mics on my GoPro 7. So I just grabbed the other camera. We'll try it out, see what you think. Go ahead and start it up. Well, may have had a little spot in the flywheel, I don't know. Could have been the starter as well. Sounded like it spun over. Alright. Showing 14,000 miles. Of course, it's got more than that. I'm not standing behind that. Could be 114, 214. Or in 64, somebody could have rolled this thing back too. So I can't stand behind it. Let's see if our glove box opens. I think it's locked. There we go. It's just a little stiff. No AC on this one, but we'll see if the blower motor works. And it does. It's blowing pretty hard. I can feel it right here on my hand right now. Should have heat in this car. See if the radio works. Looks like it's one of the newer style digital radios. It's not cutting on. They may not have it hooked up. Probably just slapped it in the dash there. Just check this side, see if the horn works. No spring in this horn. It would just be honking right now if it worked. Try the wipers out. That switch kind of feels loose. Needs a new switch for the wipers. I don't think it's turning anything on the backside. Let's go ahead and step out of the car here. I'll leave the wipers on and make sure it's the switch and not the motor. switch is going to be out there. Motor seems nice and quiet. Pretty smooth running. She's still cold right now. She's warming up. We'll go ahead and shut the hood down now. Hood's coming down nice and easy. It lines up well. Guys, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. We'll go from the front to the driver's side, to the rear, to the passenger side. And if you want more pictures of the underneath, you can jump on maplemotors.com, check any of that out. Let's go ahead and look. Going over here to the driver's side now. Now to the to the rear here, and then to the passenger side. I do appreciate y'all watching. Like I said in the beginning, definitely check out maplemotors.com. You can get financing options, transportation options, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. See a full list of our inventory. If you like this camera quality, I'll put it in the description below so you can get exactly what I got. This is GoPro Max here. I do appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button. We're about to go for a test drive, so definitely look at your bottom right corner of the screen here, and you can go straight to the test drive video. Y'all have a good one, and thanks again, guys.